Dear students, under the topic beta and gamma functions, here we have property 7. Property 7 says that capital I of m comma n is equal to 1 by 2 of beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2. Now in order to prove this property, first of all we should know what is capital I of m comma n. From integral calculus, the definition of capital I of m comma n is given by. Now in order to prove the above property, we will be making use of the definition of beta function, which is the second form of beta function. So we will be making use of beta of m comma n equal to this integral. So we will be making use of this integral in order to prove property 7. So let us write that integral now. That is, the second form of beta function is given by. So this is the second form of beta function. Now in this integral, we shall replace m by m plus 1 by 2 and n by n plus 1 by 2 in order to get beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2. So in order to find the right hand side, we shall replace m by m plus 1 by 2 and also replace n by n plus 1 by 2 in this integral. So what do we get? We get beta of m plus 1 divided by 2 comma n plus 1 divided by 2 to be equal to twice integral 0 to pi by 2. Now here in the parameter, we have to replace m by m plus 1 by 2. So wherever we have m, we have to replace it by m plus 1 by 2. So we obtain sine to the power 2 multiplied with m plus 1 by 2 minus 1 theta, and cos to the power 2 multiplied with, wherever we have n, we have to replace it by n plus 1 by 2. So we get n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 theta d theta. Now on simplifying this, we observe that this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled, and also in the power of cos, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. And so we will be left out with the integral, that is twice integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power, we have m plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled and we will be having sine power m theta. And here also n plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled and we will be left out with cos to the power n theta d theta. So therefore beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 divided by 2 will be equal to this value. Now from this, the 2 which is on the right hand side can be taken in the denominator of the left hand side. That is, dividing throughout by 2 on both left side and right side, we will be having 1 by 2 of beta of m plus 1 divided by 2 comma n plus 1 divided by 2 will be equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power m theta cos to the power n theta d theta. But what is this right hand side? It is the integral I of m comma n. So if we mark this as equation 1, we can say that from equation 1, this integral is equal to I m comma n. So therefore, we obtain I m comma n to be equal to this value, that is 1 by 2 of beta of m plus 1 but divided by 2 comma n plus 1 divided by 2. So therefore we have proved that I of m comma n is equal to 1 by 2 of beta of m plus 1 by 2 comma n plus 1 by 2. That is, we have proved property 7. So hope you have understood how we have to prove property 7. This is one of the important property which we will be using in solving future properties. Thank you.